Hey guys, an update on energy fuels. So quickly here the weekly to show you that ideally we get one more push to the upside. This was, yeah, getting again more likely 2 days ago with this push to the upside, but then yesterday with the Broadcom dump. Yeah, this makes it a little tricky. I mean, still, if we consider this a wave 1 and this a wave 2, we still have room to the downside, okay? We can still take the slow test, the 618, yep. It's just that I don't really like this structure. I mean, it could be, yeah, you could count this as a 5-wave move, but it's not the clearest, okay? So we need to be careful. This then could be an ABC here, an A wave, B wave, and now a C wave, okay? Like this, and then I can add a box as well for wave C, which would be here in confluence with then the 618, okay? So if we go down next week, watch 13.66, okay? Area of interest, and then of course again the trend line as well if we go down deeper, but I mean ideally we don't lose this because then it's gonna really look weak and then we're gonna have to shift or look towards something else, and maybe this is not the bottom, okay? Yeah, that's all I could say. Then Uranium Energy Corporation, also the same, like it went up very nicely. We took this high of wave 3, so technically we have a 5th wave, but I don't consider this a 5th wave. I think it's way too short, okay, compared to the 1 and the 3. Like you barely take the wave 3 high. In my opinion, it fits better as than a B wave high, than a C wave now. And you can see here as well, like the structure is getting really messy. It's becoming difficult to get it right, okay? Here we have tested the 1-to-1 because it was an overshooting B wave compared to energy fuels where we had a lower B wave. Means that the C wave should go deeper as well, okay? So the trend line here can go, I think. Or I can leave it, maybe Monday we just open back above it. But should we go down, then watch these levels, and then I can add the FIPS back as well. Like this. Here you have the strongest FIPS starting at 12.2 and then 11.77, okay? And I think once we lose this, then I'm gonna have to shift here as well to something more bearish. As long as we hold, I'm gonna keep the door open, but understand that this structure is now really, like this has made it very ugly and difficult to get what it exactly is, in my opinion. It can be just a wave 4 still, because wave 4s can be very ugly like this. Same for energy fuels, I'm gonna say, but this is a wave 2, so yeah. I'll keep you updated, but this is all I can say, unless we get more data next week that makes it a little bit clearer. But it's just, if I look at the weekly and the size of the wave 2s from earlier this year, I just don't want this correction to extend. Like I don't want to take this low. Ideally we go higher. Same for this one, okay? So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Like literally nothing happened actually. We're just still at where we were at the start of December. We have gone up from here if we just look at it like that. But it was just like, what the fuck? You dump, you pump, you dump. I mean, the whole market was a bit like that, but a bit more extreme with these two. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Have a good weekend, and bye bye.